About this item: 2-in-1 charging design, DeLonghi iWatch magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable, 1.8 m, 2-in-1 iWatch charger features a dual function design, with a lightning port and an iWatch magnetic charging terminal. It can charge your iPhone and Apple Watch at the same time. The lightning port is also compatible with the iPad and AirPod. Note: Type-C interface device cannot be charged. Magnet design, it is very simple to charge the Apple Watch. Strong magnetic adsorption, just hold the connector close to the back of the Apple Watch, and the iWatch magnetic will automatically pull it into place to steadily charge your Apple Watch. With the original MFi chip and integrated magnetic technology. The lighting cable built-in MFi certification, this cord supports stable charging of iPhone. Safe and reliable. This iWatch charging cable is made of high-quality ABS and PC and pure copper wire to avoid shortening its life due to aging and use. It has passed 10,000 times of bending tests. USB-C fast charger built-in multiple protection system, it can avoid overvoltage, overcharging, overheating and other problems. Wide compatibility, DeLonghi Apple Watch fast charger not only compatibility with the entire Apple Watch series, but also suitable for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini/12 Pro Max/11 Pro Max/iPhone XS/XS Max/XR/X/8 Plus/8/7 Plus/7/SIXS Plus/SIXS/6 Plus/6/iPad etc. Package includes 2-in-1 iWatch charger cable X1. Any questions, please contact us through Amazon, we will give a solution within 24 hours. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: 2-in-1 charging design, DeLonghi iWatch.